Back again. And here it is, guys. This is the final result. Excuse me. Final result of the tuna casserole. It's just about done. That's the pizza. I did notice that I picked out a can of apricots. I had to switch them over to the peaches. I decided to put them in a frozen pie crust for the sake of time. Lots of work, right? And this is the cheese that I am going to sprinkle over the top when it gets a little bit more crustier and brown. I hope you enjoyed our video. There's more to come. Until next time, Phillips Educational Services. You can always reach out to us at as2learning@gmail.com. You can click the link in our description and you can set up a consultation appointment. I am available. I'm so happy that you enjoyed our video. I hope that you enjoyed our video. Until next time, bye-bye.